This Coldwell Banker Segerstrom property video is presented by Friendbr.BRE number 01013957, LIC number 01365152. Large open floor plan located in Copperopolis, Ca. Great views of Lake TULLOCH and surrounding hills and mountains located close to recreational activities to allow tea times at dawn at Copper Valley Golf Course and enjoy the sunsets of Lake TULLOCH. For more information, review the details below or contact Friendbr.BRE number 01013957, LIC number 01365152 at 209-532-6993.